one other guide, because I'm about to jump into lots of nitty-gritty details. We have a rather deep document that is a step-by-step guide to implementing this exact application and this exact pipeline configuration with TeamCity Cloud Edition. So if you are not already using TeamCity Professional or Enterprise, if you would like that document, again, just send me an email, I'll send it to you. And it'll show you how to build this exact pipeline, because I know you're not going to get everything with just me showing it. Okay, so we've written it up, and we do this, we help our clients through this implementation as well, because regardless of the type of architecture and the different flavors, yes, there's going to be more components, but this is the architecture of the automated DevOps environment. Everything else is just additive on top. And so this architecture gives you automated deployments, automated unit testing, automated integration testing, automated full system acceptance testing. It gives you measuring of code coverage. It gives you a versioned pipeline. So from the first integration build all the way to production deployment, you have traceability of that version number, and you know exactly what version everything is. You get release candidate packaging and deployments and repeated deployments. You get infrastructure as code automation, so that we can create the environment for this application, which is Azure Container Apps and Azure SQL, created automatically just by plugging in your own Azure subscription. It gives you an example of a containerized application as a Docker image. It gives you approval gates for the higher environments. Definitely you want to have an approve button for production. It gives you a post-deploy health check pattern to be able to ask your application a more deep question. Are you actually healthy? So that you have IT monitoring tools that don't just check to see if the homepage is online, but can go to a web service endpoint, which actually tickles all of the dependencies, making sure everything about the application is online. And then this also gives you a pattern for automated database migrations with SQL Server. So a lot is packed into this pipeline, and we're only scratching the surface because we're focusing on the role of TeamCity in this environment. So send me an email if you'd like that full implementation guide.